Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable audience, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Aisyah Maulida. I school in SMA 1 Cempaka. The first of all, let's thank Allah to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing that we can gather here in this good occasion. Today, I want to concern about this motion. This House would disallow the practice of instantaneously naturalizing foreign athletes to serve on national sport team. In the past year, more and more foreign footballers have taken care of the naturalization process to become Indonesian citizens WNI. PSSI is not directly involved in the process of managing changes in citizenship status. The club that plays an active role in initiating the naturalization management process. The interest of helping the Indonesian national team is now not the main goal. Limiting the quota of foreign players on the Liga 1 stake made the club improvise. A number of foreign players are chasing Indonesian passports so that they can still be circulated in the country's soccer competition with the status of Indonesian citizens. In principle, the club is happy if it can empower foreign footballer players. The reason is that the regulation on the use of foreign players in the elite class competition made by PSSI greatly limits their space to attract as many new players as possible. PSSI General Chair Edi Rahmayadi said that the limitation of space for foreign players was aimed at giving performances to local players. PSSI has a target to increase the number of local footballers in competition stake. They must have high playing hours. Clubs should not continue to rely on foreign players, whose quality is not far from our players. Previously, in the era of PSSI Johar Arifin's management, the federation's efforts to limit space for foreign players had been carried out. In addition to the development interests that lead to the Indonesian national team, this rule is also to maintain the club's financial stability. However, there is still a gap to make the club bring in as many foreign players as possible. The demands of high achievers make them tend to build competitive team strength. The abundance for foreign players is an instant solution. The club's strategy to send foreign players labeled as Indonesian citizens has become extremely popular lately. Many of the naturalized immigrant footballers are old. They are not even competitive enough to compete to strengthen the Indonesian international team. The latest, just look at the transfer strategy of Sriwijaya FC and Madura United. Appearing in the 2018 Presidential Cup, they maximize many naturalized players. At Sriwijaya FC, there are Bio Paulin, Esteban Vizcarra, and Alberto Gonçalves. The last two names have the naturalization process underway. If nothing goes wrong before the 2018 Liga 1 starts, they will become pure Indonesian citizens. Madura United are also keen to land many naturalized players. They have 4 players at once, namely Christian Gonzalez, Rafael Maitimo, Regno Kolo, and Oke Joni. The last name process to become an Indonesian citizen is currently underway. Judging foreign players who become Indonesian citizens in order to secure the continuity of their careers in our country doesn't feel right. The 1945 Constitution, as a result of the amendments, opened up space for immigrants to obtain Indonesian passports. This is stated in Article 26. A person can be referred to as Indonesian citizens all people belonging to the original Indonesian nation and people from other nations who are legalized by law as citizens. In the 1945 Constitution, the Second Amendment even states that the meaning of population is Indonesian citizens and foreigners residing in the territory of Indonesia. This law also stipulates about 5 requirements to become Indonesian citizens. One of them, foreigners can apply to become Indonesian citizens if they have lived in Indonesia for 5 consecutive years or have lived in Indonesia for at least 10 years, not in a row. On average, foreign footballers who take care of Indonesian citizens meet this qualification. Take, for example, Zumato Herman, who officially became an Indonesian citizen in July 2017. Of course, there are consequences for every club that accumulates naturalized footballers, such as the opportunity for local talents to feel the atmosphere of the match is reduced, because the squad is already crowded with the new Indonesian citizens. This choice is simple: instant achievement or assisting coaching. My advice, it would be nice if PSSI remained focused on developing young players while at the same time complementing them by opening up opportunities for quality foreign players playing at LSE to become Indonesian citizens. The decision whether they will play in the national team is currently not the domain of PSSI management, but is in the hands of the national team coach, because the coach knows more about the team's needs directly. Maybe that's all I can say in this motion. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.